critics then they're saying,
Yes.
of course you've already said that you're here almost 24/7 because you're concerned about your staff.
Yes.
Some of your critics say you're here 24/7 because you're afraid that they might say something, they might divulge something that might incriminate you.
They are attending Yusek Lopez attended the hearing. They can ask her questions there. I was not there when Yusek Lopez attended the hearing, so I was not there to influence her and tell her what to answer. If you saw me yesterday, I was not looking at Gina Acosta. I was studying. I was reading laws. I was studying the rules of the... Para na akong congressman ngayon, tanong niyo ako kung anong rules nila. I was studying the rules of the House of Representatives. I was not looking at her. Pinapabayaan ko siya sumagot. Siguro umiiling-iling ako paminsan-minsan dahil I feel na hindi dapat dinadivulge sa public yung ibang mga sinasabi na ng kasama ko, pero wala akong magawa. Kasi ayaw namin na ma-detain sila. So, sumasagot talaga sila. Si Edward Fajarda, not once did I coach him. Pero si Gina, I helped her with the term detail. Kasi she was trying to remember kung anong tawag nung isang tao na galing sa isang opisina, na nililipat sa isang opisina, and that is called detail. So I told her detail, and she said details.
Ma'am, yung money yung CF is from SDO, dumidiretso daw sa mga security officer. Yun talaga mamang nature ba ng confidential funds?
Yes, there is an SDO, and there is a security officer, and there is a head of agency. So, ako yung head of agency, may SDO kami, may security officer kami. Ganun talaga ang structure. Again, sinabi ko ito sa mga, wala kasing mainstream noon ba? Again, so, alam natin lahat ng, mahalikan ko na yung ano ninyo.
Isubo yung mic.
Ayoko itong pula. Saan galing yan? Ayun! Okay, saan? Saan ako? Okay. Alam nyo, diba, meron kayong mga naririnig ng akusasyon ng nakawan dito sa ating gobyerno. Corruption in government. Naririnig nyo ba na millions ang ninanakaw? Hindi, diba? Ang naririnig nyo, billions ang ninanakaw sa budget natin. Alam nyo bakit 150 million lang yon? Kasi kinompute yun kung buwan-buwan ano ang gagawin at ano ang i-implement. Napakaliit na amount ang 150 million. So bakit kami magnanakaw ng 150 million? Ang nakawan sa gobyerno, billion. Ginamit yun sa trabaho. Bakit 125 plus 500 lang yung sa Office of the Vice President? Kasi kinompute yun. Buwan-buwan. Ang problem sa 125, binigay siya sa amin December na. And the requirement in government offices, you have to utilize money before December 31, before the end of the year. So ang ginawa, lahat ng preps in-implement. Diba? And as I said, government offices disburse millions, billions in a day. Sa DepEd, nagdi-disperse kami. Nagdi-disperse. Pumipirma kami ng cheque. Multi-million. Kung itotal mo ang mga checks araw-araw na nalalabas sa DepEd, billions. Nagbabayad kami, nagbabayad. So, bakit nila kine-question yung pagbabayad ng millions in a day? And that is part of work of government offices to disburse money every day and pay obligations. Ginamit yun sa trabaho. Pinipilit lang talaga. Dalawa na ang maro ko. Si Marisol at si
Kanina pa niya ako
JC.
sinisenyasan, mami. Tama na sige.
Oo. Tama na. Anong oras na?
Mga ko lang mga
Oo, kasi alauna na, and I have to be back tonight. Ayaw nila ng gabi. Na ano sila sa gabi. Yes.
Ka di ba ma'am, babasilan? Tsaka
Tomorrow, balikan ako Basilan. I leave in the early
pa rin
morning.
matutulog.
Oh, yes, leave early morning. And then, balik ako sa gabi. May flights naman. Nandiyan mama niya. Tsaka nandiyan yung lawyers niya. And ayoko makipag-usap sa mga abogado kasi lahat ng mga abogado, pag nag-uusap-usap sila, magaling lahat ba? 'Di ba? Lahat sila, ako yung magaling. So, parang ayoko sumali sa legal discussion.